Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by setting strict boundaries, get written authorization, and understand local laws. Once done, isolate the gear in a lab, use a dedicated router and a shielded area to prevent collateral outages. Make sure to capture baseline logs and traffic metrics so you can compare changes later. You will avoid public networks, and you will document every step for accountability. This protects you legally and ethically, and it gives you a controlled environment for safe experimentation without harming others. Now you run controlled tests using approved tools and certified test modes. Do not improvise. While you test, continuously monitor packet captures and client behavior to understand impact and timing. Make sure to limit transmit power, keep tests short, and restrict the number of affected clients. You should timestamp every action and keep detailed observer notes so results are reproducible. This disciplined approach helps you learn how deauthentication effects appear without enabling misuse, and it keeps your findings defensible. Finally, focus on mitigation and verification. Implement management frame protection and strong WPA2 or WPA3 configurations, and keep firmware current. You should deploy wireless intrusion detection and tune client roaming parameters to reduce susceptibility. Once mitigations are applied, repeat controlled tests to confirm resilience. If something goes wrong, review your logs, remove extraneous variables, and rerun a smaller test. This iterative troubleshooting ensures you fix issues safely while learning how defenses react under stress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.